Well, that's a theme that certainly ran through all of you. You're not doing it for the big bucks, are you? But the love of the game. Cara, is that what you found with basketball?
Yeah, look, I think we're in a slightly different situation, similar to the other team sports. I mean, we have a drain on our league with our best players getting paid good money. I won't say great money to play in Europe and to play in the USA. And if I can use an example, Lauren Jackson, one of the greatest female basketballers to walk the planet. You know, if you talk cricket terms, male sports terms, she's Bradman, she's Dawn Fraser, she's that great, and she's still only 27. Her maximum salary, and this is public knowledge, is $92,000 playing in the USA. The practice pony in the NBA, and I say practice pony, that's all he does. He practices. He wears a suit to the game. He doesn't ever get on. He's on $750,000 US. You know, so
wow.
Yeah, well, and like I said, he's a practice pony. He doesn't even get to gallop around on the basketball court. He doesn't get to play. So
what are you got to do to get that job?
Yeah, to be pretty good. Be 6'10". Yeah, male and 6'10". But so I think for us, there's two issues. One, similar to the soccer girls, we still, you know, we have a wonderful league, a wonderful product, but our girls work full-time jobs or study part-time, work part-time, are mothers, and we practice. Yeah, here's another great example. One of the Capitals practice ponies here in the WNBL. We recruited her from Adelaide. She doesn't get to play. She averages 1 minute a game. You know, we practice 4 nights a week as a team, early morning weights, early morning individuals. Her fiance just won the Mulrooney medal in the ACT Football League. He said, "Babe, you practice 3 times more than us and you don't even get paid." You know, he's the best player in ACT, and he gets, you know, the pokies at the Ainsley Footy Club are funding him. But you know, I think those examples really bring it home that, you know, we've got world-class athletes that are great exports, but we can't find a way to have Lauren Jackson play in our country.